So it's been about 6 months I've been promising this, but we've been just so busy and the weather's been terrible. But now we can actually take the Model T out and actually run it and show you how it is on the road. First of all, I'll give you a quick driving lesson on how they work. So on the floor here, you've got your 3 pedals on the patch underneath the steering wheel. So this one over here is your clutch. Mash it all the way down the floor as low gear. Let it all the way out as high. Hold it halfway down as neutral, which is where I have it now. The middle one here, this is your reverse, and my other foot is on the brake, which is a transmission brake and the wheel brake. And then this one over here is our foot throttle. And then this stick here is your underdrive, is your auxiliary gearbox. So this is direct, underdrive, direct, and overdrive. And then you've got your 2-speed rear axle is right here, e-brake is down there. So usually I'll start off with it in low, and then we'll shift the Rockstool once we get it up to like highway speeds, but I don't think we're going to be doing that today. So let's get it out on the road, and I'll show you how this works. So when I want to get moving, I just have to push down on the clutch, and now we're moving in low gear. Clutch out into high gear. Now we're in high. And you shift the transmission with the throttle, not your clutch. Still a little cold. Clutch in and just pull it into gear. Now we're back in low.